It's not as cold. Ingredients. Having my coffee this morning. I'm leaving the campground today. I have to say, it's been a really comfortable stay in Flam camping. Window locked, fridge locked, keys in fanny pack. Also, the gas is off. This is my routine to check that everything is in order before I drive. An early start isn't always possible. I tried to bust out of here at 6:30 a.m. and it turns out that they only open this thing at 7 a.m. Bummer. Ooh, another light show part of the tunnel. That's beautiful. Grocery run. I think I'll go with a creamy mushroom soup. 2 portions. I'll take one. I spotted this brun lapskaus. It looks like a mix of vegetables or I have no idea, but it says laget I Norge. Maybe it's Norwegian. And I think it's potato van grønnsaker lapskaus. You know what? I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm gonna try this. Be surprised at what it is. Take one. I've been eating broccoli for days now, and I'm tempted to get one of these, but it looks like a really small portion for 36 NOK. Okay, you know what? I take one. My Norwegian is very bad, but I'm pretty sure this is lactose free. I take one. This is something I'll try. It's pickled herring, and I think it's similar to the one that I had at that Taste of Norway buffet where I tried, I think those are mackerel instead. And yes, I'm well aware that I've previously eaten a plate full of pickled herring and mistakenly called it mackerel. So I have eaten this before, I just didn't know it then. But this is a jar of herring. So, never had this before. I take one. You know you got it. What? Taking a bit of a detour to park because I spotted. 100 meters. Ooh. Turn left. I spotted this glacier. Take the next left, on the mountains. Then turn right. Okay, so if you keep your eyes open, you'll find these places randomly, and we're now looking at Boyabreen Glacier, Vettelbreen Glacier, and Elmanipa, and Kavallonipa. Okay, whatever. So there's the infographic, and there's the glacier right there. Also, you cannot have sunny days every day. Some days it'll rain. Today is actually the first day it's rained like this on me since I got here, or since I started driving. And I've been driving for maybe 8 days already now. That's the glacier in 1965. And you can see that it has retreated. Like, it has shrunk by that much in 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. And you can also see some streams of glacier melt that's going into the streams around this area. It looks like there's a little hike, maybe to a viewpoint to the glacier. Just gonna go for a quick walk. Qué manera de quererte, qué manera. Qué manera de quererte, qué manera. Stop for registering. Hey, I am at Lovik Camping Ground in Loen, and I have to say, this place looks really sweet. That's my parking, and then there's the view. Yeah, it kind of rained a lot this morning, but now the weather is, knock on wood, kind of cleared up. So it might be a good day for me to take a hike, take the Skylift, and then I was talking to the guy at reception and he was saying, oh yeah, you can go for hikes around this place, and the fjord is safe to swim in, although it's really cold. And I'm like, yeah, I don't care, I'm gonna try it anyway. But yeah, this place looks really sweet, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I am checking out the facilities here. They've got laundry machines and a dryer, and they are coin operated. And here's the kitchen. Yep, basic. Can do my dishes here. Looks like there's a stove I can use as well, so apparently there's a toilet and showers as well. So, ooh. This looks pretty good. I mean, it's clean. It smells a little, but yeah, and here are some sinks and some shower rooms. Ooh, it's coin operated. So it's a good thing I do have some coins. Hello. Ingredients. I think today I have to finish my meatballs before they go bad. They've been open for a couple of days now. And I think at one point I did something stupid and I switched off my fridge and it might have gone bad, so I'm gonna cook the shit out of this and also finish the remainder of my broccoli. I've been eating balls and broccoli for the past 2 days now. That's what happens when you travel solo, especially on trips like this, where basically you just buy what you need for one, and it's usually a whole thing, and you're eating the same thing a couple of days in a row. That's it. That's all my balls. Since there's 2 portions here, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do this. I knew there was a reason I was keeping this. Pour it in the jar first, maybe. Oh shit. Ow, ow, ow. Okay. Just have to relight this fire. Oh man, that looks so good. At this point now, I've had meatballs at least 4 times, and all 4 times I've had it a different way. Cheers! That is a really good soup in the bag, actually. Good morning. So this is my bed. It's a completely full-size bed. I can stretch all my legs. I can stretch out my legs and have a really good night's sleep. Very neat van. I have my lunch packed, my water bottle full, my black glasses, and now I'm heading to the Skylift to take it up to do some mini hikes on top of that mountain over there. Loen Skylift from Fjord to Sky in 5. And we're going all the way up there. So we're going up the Skylift now, and we're packed in like a can of mackerel. You get up here. Of course, you can imagine it's beautiful. I've seen a lot of mountains in my lifetime, but this view is just gorgeous. And you get to come here with zero effort. It's a 5-minute Skylift. And they have these really low-hanging clouds or fog, like just above the fjords, that look really pretty. So apparently there are 2 hiking trails that you can take, and it looks like it's going to be paved and well marked. I think I might have time to do both of them and just chill out with my lunch somewhere. This Ajuma with the scarf. And then you've got this guy here, this parachute in the wind. There are a couple of routes to choose from. I think I'm gonna get to Fjords first, which is just a 2K hike. And then from there, I'll see if I want to do a longer round trip hike to another area. Okay, it looks like I've reached the first point. I think I barely hiked an hour to get here. It's only about 2 kilometers. And of course, as you expect, the view is just amazing from up here. So the longer hike brings you obviously deeper into the mountains, and you can enjoy different views here. And I think the infographic said that you could spot one of the glaciers from here as well. I think I'm almost halfway through, so I'm just taking shade under this thing. Don't know what you call them, but I think they just marked the trail. And it's a fairly easy trail to follow. Like, you just see that there's like this little gravel path laid out nicely, so you won't get lost. Just gonna have a quick, maybe have half of my lunch. I'm feeling a bit hungry now. So what's in my lunchbox today? Ta-da! No surprises here. More polo bread, an apple, and Vasa crackers. I have to say that this is one of the most pleasant trails that I've been on. It's so well maintained and designed. I mean, you're literally just having a walk in the park on this trail. And yeah, it's just a really pleasant, easy walk with this view right here. I cannot get over how pretty this place is. So if you're in Loen, or if you're in Norway, Loen is a place to stop at, for sure. And if you're old like me, somehow this reminds me of The Land Before Time. You know, that Disney dinosaur movie that we watched as kids. Found a nice little spot to finish my lunch. And just another quick food hack. Put a wasa cracker in your sandwich. Like a clown car. Oh my god. Like, it just pretty much goes straight down. Alright, that was a nice little hike up the Loen Skylift. What am I gonna do now? Maybe I go for a swim. And it's so sunny now. It's supposed to be autumn or transitioning into autumn. Late August, and yeah, the sun's out. It's really hot right now, which means that the only way you can cool down is with a poop emoji. Okay, so I found a little creek here and there's no one around. All right, here goes. That was a really refreshing dip, and the water is so clear and so fresh, and of course I'm surrounded by this landscape here. I have to say it's really cold, but once you get through the initial shock, it's really worth it. And I just spotted some fish in this river as well, so if fish can live here, that means the water probably is okay. And now to make it official, I'm going for a swim in the fjord. The water's crystal clear. And I think the water here is not as cold as the river. Or maybe I've just acclimatized to cold water now. Ooh. Okay, you know what? It is cold. This is the first time I've seen a sunset with 3 suns. Ingredients.